Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add schedule in Basecamp. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to basecamp.com and you'll be greeted by a website that is looking similar to this one. Now when you're there, you just need to guys go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Basecamp. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Basecamp videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Basecamp official website where we have a lot of different options. So here we have the organization where you can make a new project, or you can go and click on invite people to invite some of your friends to join this amazing platform. Here you can get started. Of course, we have the home button, which is here where all of these things are. So you have your schedule, recently visited stuff, your assignments, and all of those things. And you have the lineup where you can go and welcome to the lineup. You can see the lineup, you can add a marker and all of those things. We have pings where you can start a private chat with a person that you want. You can have, here you have some notifications for you. As you can see, I have welcome to Basecamp as the information that is coming from me. We have activity, where you can see your latest activity, guys. You can see everything filtered by project and so on. You have your stuff, so you can see your assignments here, your bookmarks, your schedule, your drafts, your recent activity, and your boost. And we have your find, where you can go and search for stuff. Now, guys, let's see how you can add a schedule in Basecamp. Click the schedule tool of a particular project to get started. So you can go and click on the schedule like so. You have it here. And then if it's not possible to add events directly to upcoming dates on your schedule, just so you know, enter the details about the event. And then so basically you need to go there, click on that. And then events can be single day, multi-day, or recurring. You can also have a full day events or events with a start and end time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget guys to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.